Welcome to week 11 of the Overcoming Health Anxiety course. You've done so much important work, and today we're going to bring it all together by creating a long-term recovery plan. This isn't just about managing anxiety, it's about building a life that supports your growth, stability, and peace over time. Why a long-term plan is essential? Well, recovery isn't a light switch, it's a journey. There are highs and there are lows. There are breakthroughs and setbacks, and that's okay. Having a plan gives you structure, consistency, and motivation. It keeps you anchored when life gets chaotic. And the key insight here? A solid plan turns progress into lasting change. Think of it as your personal roadmap, one that's flexible but grounded. Here are the pillars of long-term recovery. So let's look at the 5 key pillars that will support you on your continued recovery. 1, your mindset. Staying grounded in resilience and acceptance. Accepting the present moment and accepting feeling anxious sometimes and realizing that they're just thoughts. They can't hurt you unless you allow them to. 2, daily habits. Creating routines that nourish mental well-being. 3, emotional regulation. Managing stress and triggers with healthy tools. 4, exposure and growth. Continuing to face fears and expand your comfort zone. And 5, self-compassion. Being kind to yourself even when things feel hard. The key insight? Recovery doesn't require perfection, just a steady return to these pillars, defining your personal recovery goals. So let's make this plan your own. Ask yourself, what does recovery look like for me? What specific fears do I want to overcome in the long run? How do I want to feel day to day? These goals should be clear but flexible, something that pulls you forward without overwhelming you. The key insight: your recovery goals should be realistic, personal, and deeply motivating. Building a supportive and daily routine. Your routine is the foundation of long-term stability. And here's a basic outline. Every morning, set the tone with meditation, journaling, or mindful breathing. Perhaps even watching the videos that go along with this free health anxiety course. Movement and nutrition. Fuel your body with energy and balance. Intentional relaxation. Carve out time to decompress, whether it's hobbies, deep breathing, or being creative, creating something that you're passionate about. And then the evening wind down. Reduce stimulation, disconnect from screens, and ease into sleep. Now it would be a great time to journal, right? Journal about the day, about things you've done well, things you could have improved on, how you are responding to your health anxiety, and what progress you're making, and notice that every day it's getting a little bit better. Here's the key insight. It's the little things done consistently that create big results over time. Emotional resilience doesn't mean never feeling anxious again. It means knowing how to respond when anxiety shows up. Here's some tools. Breathing techniques. Breathing techniques help to calm your nervous system. Thought reframing. Challenge distorted thinking. Observing the mind and how it chatters away. and sees danger and emergencies when there is no facts to back it up. Journaling, release and process your emotions safely. That would be a great practice at night before bed, and it'll help you fall asleep more quickly as well. So the key insight: the better you get at regulating your emotion, the easier it is to ride out the waves. Now, setbacks will happen. They're a natural part of growth. So when you feel like you're having a setback, don't beat yourself up. Don't be judgmental. Be kind and look back and see how much progress you've made. Because what matters most is how you respond. I want you to recognize the old pattern without judgment. Use your recovery tools, journaling, meditation, any support system you might have. Focus on the bigger picture, not the momentary discomfort you might feel from time to time. The key insight: every setback is an opportunity to recommit, not to give up. Even when your anxiety reduces, exposure therapy should continue. For some of you, this will be a lifelong pursuit, but that's okay, because you are worth the effort. I want you to keep challenging yourself with small discomforts. Start off small and work up to your medium and then your large discomforts, things that give you the most fear. Challenge yourself with new environments, new situations. It's when we confront our fears and look our fear right in the face and do it anyway, that we start to take back control. Especially if it's something that you previously would avoid doing. You're not going to find the growth that you want unless you step out of your comfort zone. I know it's hard and it's scary, but it is worth it in the long run. I want you to build an exposure ladder that you can keep working through, not to force anything, but to grow steadily. And the key insight: long-term confidence is built by doing the things you once feared again and again. And this is where your personal power mantra comes in. So just keep repeating your personal power mantra over and over and over again. And that's what I did to overcome my greatest fear with my health anxiety. And it's one of the keys that allowed me to get rid of it for good. Progress tracking isn't just practical, it's motivating. Keep a journal or a tracker of your small wins, like resisting a checking urge, for example. Keep a journal of breakthrough moments, choosing action over avoidance. Maybe journal when you confronted your greatest fear and how it felt scary at first. But the more times you do it, the stronger you feel, and the weaker the fear becomes, until eventually it won't hardly faze you at all. Also journal any positive shifts, whether you're sleeping better, you have fewer anxious thoughts, more feelings of joy and happiness. And also set up some simple rewards, a relaxing activity, a fun outing, something just for you. Could be any of your favorite activities. Some of us need that extra motivation, especially when confronting our greatest fears. Key insight: celebration creates momentum, and recovery is worth celebrating. This week's guided meditation is called Cultivating Stability and Confidence in Recovery. It's here to help you anchor into the calm and strength you've built. Reinforce your trust in yourself. Stay steady, even when life brings challenges. Use it regularly. It's your reset button and confidence booster. Okay, so here's your journaling and action steps. So journal prompts for this week. What daily habits will support my long-term recovery? How will I respond when a setback happens? What new challenges can I continue to face with courage? And here are your action steps. Write down your long-term recovery goals. Build a daily routine that supports your wellness. Choose 3 ways to track progress and celebrate your wins. Use the guided meditation to reinforce consistency and confidence. Remember, the future is built one choice at a time, not all at once. Key takeaways from the lesson. Long-term recovery requires structure and commitment. Daily habits form the foundation of a calm and focused life. Exposure must continue to avoid regression. Progress is worth tracking and celebrating. And next week, we'll talk about your new identity and moving beyond health anxiety for good. You are building something sustainable, something real. Keep going. You are worth the effort. You are in control of your long-term health recovery. You can do this, and I am here to help. You're not just reacting anymore. You are creating your new future by creating structure, creating safety, and creating momentum. This path forward belongs to you now, and you are ready. The final takeaway. Living a life free from health anxiety. Your goal is not just to overcome health anxiety, but instead it's to live a full, fearless, and meaningful life. Trust your body. Trust yourself. Keep moving forward, even if it's one step at a time. Just focus on every small step. Do babies learn how to walk instantly? At least human babies? Animal babies don't count. No, it takes them many tries. And it's very hard for a small child to learn how to walk. But they see their family walking around and they want to be like them. And to them it's worth it. Be like that infant that sees someone walking around, or see someone that's highly full of life and joy and peace and love, and then model them. You have to want it badly enough, and I think most of you are already there. You just need to have the energy that matches the goal you want to achieve. So now let's put this into practice with a meditation called Locking In Your Long-Term Recovery Plan. It's designed to lock in your long-term recovery mindset. Okay, so my name is Patrick Ferner with TransformingSad.com, wishing you excellent mental health, and I will see you in the meditation, locking in your long-term recovery plan. Namaste.